Alibaba is dominating market discussion as geopolitical risk headlines collide with powerful AI growth catalysts, creating a highly polarized debate around the stock's near and long term outlook. On one side of the narrative, reports suggest that Alibaba Group could be added to a U.S. Defense Department list of companies allegedly linked to China's military, an action that would further tighten U.S. scrutiny of Chinese technology firms. The potential designation, which would place Alibaba alongside other Chinese companies facing heightened restrictions, has fueled fears of additional sanctions, investment bans, or limitations on U.S. capital flows. An official announcement is expected soon, keeping uncertainty elevated. At the same time, a directly opposing data point has emerged. Chinese regulators have reportedly approved major domestic tech firms, including Alibaba, to place orders for Nvidia's H200 AI chips, signaling some easing in access to high performance AI hardware. For Alibaba's cloud and AI ambitions, this is a critical development. The H200 is one of NVIDIA's most powerful data center accelerators, and securing supply would materially strengthen Alibaba Cloud's ability to train and deploy large scale language models and advanced AI services. This clash between bearish geopolitical headlines and bullish infrastructure progress has split the community. The bearish view, investors worried about US China tensions argue that a Pentagon linked designation could weigh on sentiment, constrain international partnerships, and limit foreign institutional ownership, regardless of Alibaba's fundamentals. The bullish view, others see the geopolitical FUD as largely priced in and view pullbacks as buying opportunities. This camp is focused on Alibaba's aggressive push into AI, cloud computing, and robotics, believing these initiatives position the company as a central player in China's long term technological self sufficiency drive. Adding to the constructive side of the story, Zealous Technology has announced a $2 billion partnership with Cainiao, Alibaba's logistics unit. The deal aims to expand Zello's fleet and modernize operations using Alibaba's AI tools, cloud infrastructure, and logistics network. For Alibaba, this partnership highlights how its AI capabilities are translating into real world enterprise adoption beyond consumer internet applications. Taken together, Alibaba now sits at the center of two powerful and conflicting forces: rising geopolitical risk and regulatory uncertainty abroad, and rapidly accelerating domestic AI investment, partnerships, and infrastructure build out. For many investors, the key question isn't whether headlines will remain volatile, they almost certainly will, but whether Alibaba's expanding role in China's AI and automation ecosystem can ultimately outweigh those risks. If the company continues securing advanced chips, scaling AI deployments, and landing multi-billion-dollar enterprise deals, bulls argue that today's controversy could look more like noise before a structural re-rating than a lasting impairment.
Okay, so the stock is showing a lot of it's been sorry, the stock has been consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. We'll have a look at its daily charts. This is the 4 hour chart. Here, the extrapolation is saying that a bounce might occur from Tuesday the 17th and may hold the upward trend towards the 23rd of February, just slightly above its declining 40 period moving average. So after that, from that day as well, it may begin the contraction, or may resume the downtrend that has been playing out since the 11th of February. Okay, on this 4 hour chart, the projections are saying 127.56, 133.48, and 143.08. Okay, so what we can see here is that the extrapolation of its 10 period moving average on this 4 hour chart is aligning with the uptrend that is expected to play out there. Yeah, okay, but I think the indication is that it's going to be volatile. That's what it's indicating, that it might be volatile from now till the 19th of February. If anything, we might expect this uptrend here that is expected to play out from the 20th of February, is there's a chance that it may be less more of more a lot less volatile. Yeah, more of what may happen, more of more what may happen, even though of course it's indicating certainty further out, but not certainty in the near term. It's a bit complicated. On the daily chart, on the line, you can see here the stock has been consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. It's 200 day moving average underscores its underlying trend. So it's sloping bullishly upward. So the stock has been consolidating within that moving average. Yes. Let's see now. The extrapolation here is saying that this weakness might remain in place up till Tuesday, the 17th, not indicating any bounce or anything like that. So there's no alignment here, if you like, with what we have as it concerns the extrapolations. Um, yes, with there's no alignment with these daily chart and the 4 hour chart there, but there's a world where they may still align anyway. But here, let's see now what we have in terms of projections. We have 151, 146, and 160, and then 173. So I think the projections are in alignment. They're indicating higher prices relative to, which is in alignment with what we have in the 4 hour chart. So here we can see the algos are indicating flatness, at least up to the 6th of March. So, well, there's a chance that because when the moving averages are looking flat, they are to some extent signaling that what the extrapolation of the price of the price is. Yeah, if they are flat, there's an indication that we may see less volatility, implying that maybe what is extrapolated may well play out. So we have a what looks like a divergence on the chart, the 4 hour chart and on the daily chart. But I'll lean more on the daily chart. I'll lean more on daily charts. More of a decline, more of a decline. Okay, yeah, more of a decline. Yeah, well, here, as a matter of fact, it's actually saying that it might pick up a slight bounce towards the 19th of February, but we'll see. On the weekly charts, we have here lower prices are expected to remain in place at least up to the 23rd of February. Then after that, we might see a bounce towards, the uptrend may resume or may pick up strength towards the 22nd of June. And we can also see here momentum is also expected to remain pretty flat to volatile. So it may well be what may happen towards then. It may well be what may happen. So yeah, the stock was trending at some point. That's what's going on right now. Just see what you make of Alibaba stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.